thirsty? It's water. You want some water? That's not how you get the water. You know that. You don't really want it. You don't really want it. Then that's plain. Sorry. Chew. Chew.
What are you doing? It's like she regressed 4 months right there. And forgot how to eat. What's that? What is that? What is it? What is that? What is that, Freya? What is that?
Hi, clock.
You're waving at the clock.
Freya, where's the clock? Where's the clock? Show Mommy the clock. Okay. Can you show Mommy the... Hi, clock. Can you show Mommy the light? Yes, that's the light. Say hello, light. Hello, clock.